first time in one of these Wranglers you're wearing?
No, my friend has one. Really nice.
You ever let you take it off road?
No.
You should. Now, all the way around this track, we do have it on 4x4 low. So when you're doing around these little sharp turns, it does skip and we'll jump to it. That's because all 4 tires are going.
Sweet.
It's real aggressive. And this is a 2013 model. This is the Wrangler Sport S Unlimited. Unlimited is a 4-door. Sport S is more like our lower trim model Wranglers that we got. We can do this course real easy. So it's gonna help us out 4x4. 30-degree angle.
You guys are not allowed to drive like You're recording it, Jen?
Yeah.
How much MPG is this?
These go from 22,000. This one's about 30,000.
Alright.
Now
Give
this
us gas mileage.
miles per gallon.
Yeah.
It's get from 16 in the city to 22 on the highway for this one. The hill coming up, this is 16 feet high with 30-degree angles on them. It's 30 up and down. And once on top of that hill, I'm going to press it right now. We have a hill descent system. This is going to hold us back so we don't burn out our brakes getting down the hill. They're like sensors. They're working with both the ABS system and the transmission. So 30 degrees up. Brakes all the way down. It's a push of the button. All our 4x4 vehicles have that now. These do have 9.8 inches of ground clearance in the cover. With the 31-inch all-terrain tires, 18-inch rim. And the 3-piece skip plate. Bottoms out to protect. As far as the motor goes, all the Wranglers have the same motor. It's a 3.6 liter V6 with 285 horsepower. It's a VVT Pentastar. They have 260 foot-pounds of torque.
And how much does one of these cost?
These go about 30,000. Like we're right now. As far as the awesome but the 4-doors are a little more pricier, that's why I got a hard time. This comes off, the leather seats on the
Yeah, how does this come off?